Welcome to Leantec, the next generation of inventory management, providing real security, real tracking in real time. Our innovative inventory management system was originally designed for the automotive industry to organize, secure, track, and manage your inventory in a way that ensures you have every product you need on time all the time, so that your workflow isn't interrupted and you can repair more vehicles while increasing your profits. The concept of Leantec began in 2013, stemming from the needs of a large dealership group. Their paint and material profits in 26 collision centers were shrinking each year, and they were unable to figure out where their materials were going. So Leantec first worked on designing a solution that would secure hundreds of parts in a cost-effective manner. And then they created a software platform that interfaces with that hardware solution and communicates in real time what's happening with the products. So who is Leantec for? Businesses that have eroding material margins, that have material waste and product duplication in their repair facilities, have started their lean journey, and businesses that have a desire for accountability with their materials. Let's go over some of Leantec's main features. Leantec has several ways to use the hardware within the repair facility. Number 1, connected stationary cabinets. These are designed to organize, secure, and track a large amount of SKUs. This is our most popular product. Number 2, connected carts. These are battery-operated and completely mobile within a repair facility, putting products at the point of use. Number 3, using only a scanner is an option designed for repair facilities that have a designated area and want to track their product usage. Number 4, a stockroom with a smart lock. Works well for large products not stocked well in cabinets while still offering security and accountability. Both the stationary cabinets and mobile carts have Bluetooth latches that are controlled by an easy-to-use smart scanner. They each have door sensors with alarms that go off if the doors are left open. They have access restrictions. A schedule can be set up for each technician outlining which days and times a cabinet, cart, or room can be accessed. And these cabinets and carts organize and consolidate products and remove duplicate items. This is a live dashboard that a repair facility manager would see when they log in. Other roles see different dashboards with information valuable to their specific role. Managers can catch and fix issues to keep the facility on track to meet paint and material profit goals before the month ends. Leantec has simplified the purchasing process. You can track every purchasing decision with our software. Effective inventory management replenishes materials only as the demand requires. It's essentially a just-in-time purchasing process with automated replenishment. Minimum and maximum levels are set for each part number, and an order schedule is set up. Orders to the suppliers are automatically emailed on the days and times set for all part numbers that fall below their minimum stocking levels to bring them up to their maximum levels. Shops can manually create their own orders in the system, and any product from any distributor can be managed and tracked with Leantec. Leantec has a comprehensive report suite that gives information about every aspect of your inventory, including materials and technician usage, inventory value and dead inventory, purchase orders, variants, key performance indicators, job invoices, consignments, and many other reports. Leantec integrates with many systems for an improved user experience. We have integrations with shop management systems, including CCC1. We have both a one-way and two-way integration with them. ProfitNet, Mitchell, and Streamline. We integrate with multiple distributors' point-of-sale systems. And our application programming interface allows distributors to keep part numbers and pricing current. And we integrate with AkzoNobel and Mixit Pro mixing scales. Let's go over how it all works. Once a repair facility is set up with Leantec, this is how the ordering process will work. All products in the cabinet have minimum and maximum stocking levels, and the repair facility sets a day or multiple days and times when an automated order is sent to the distributor. At the repair facility, the technician scans the product and charges any recoverable items to a certain job. Using the product may make its quantity fall below the minimum stocking level. The Leantec system keeps up with the counts of all products and the min-max levels. and all products that have fallen below their minimum stocking level are automatically put on an order that is sent to the distributor on the scheduled order day. At the distributor, the order is printed off and the products are pulled for delivery. The distributor delivers the products to the repair facility, and using the scanner, the driver or designated parts manager receives the products into the repair facility's inventory and then places each product in its spot in the cabinet, cart, or room. Any time in the process, the distributor or repair facility can run numerous reports. Everything is run behind the scenes by the Leantec software Prophet-C. This process ensures that the repair facility has all the right products on time all the time. For more information, contact us by phone at 615-721-5375 or email us at service@leantec.com or go to our website at leantec.com. Thank you for your consideration.